All right, Unit 6, Lesson 4, number 1 says the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, provides standards for safety in the workplace. A ladder is leaned against a vertical wall according to OSHA standards at an angle of elevation of approximately 75 degrees. If the ladder is 25 feet long, what's the distance from the base of the ladder to the base of the wall? So I have always encouraged you to draw a picture for these types of questions if a picture is not provided. So you should start out by doing that. And so we've got a ladder leaning against a wall. Here's the floor. Obviously the wall should be perpendicular to the floor. And so my ladder is here. And so I'll try to make it look kind of like a ladder. And put some little crosses in here. Okay, so it says that if the ladder is 25 feet long, here's 25 feet, it says a ladder is leaned against a vertical wall at an angle of elevation of 75 degrees. And so this angle down here should be 75. And so it says, round your answer to the nearest tenth, it says what's the distance from the wall to the base of the ladder. That's what we're trying to figure out. So at this point you need to ask yourself, what two sides are we working with? And then you should be setting up your proportion. And then after that you're figuring out how high does the ladder reach. So let's go back and just say this is my adjacent side and this is my hypotenuse. And so I know for this part I'd be using the cosine function. Cosine of 75 should equal x over 25. You should know how to solve this by now. And then when I'm trying to find how high does the ladder have to go on the wall, let's just call that y because we don't want to use the same variable. And you should be able to set up a proportion for that, knowing that this side would then be the opposite. That's all I'm giving you for this one. You're going to have to finish the rest on your own.